Hi, this is Governor Greg Abbott. For nearly 200 years, Texas has stood as a beacon for freedom and opportunity. Today, our diverse and innovative manufacturing base has ensured that Made in Texas has never been a more powerful brand. That's why I'm proud to celebrate 2024 Manufacturing Week in Texas. This week highlights the dedication and hard work of our manufacturing industry and the important role that it plays in our state's growing economy. For the last 22 years in a row, Texas has been the #1 exporting state in the entire country, from aerospace to defense, from petrochemical to semiconductors, from electronic components to food and beverage. Today, everything is made in Texas. Our growing manufacturing industry allows Texas to lead across the world stage. Let's continue to work together to grow our manufacturing industry and train the workforce of tomorrow. May God bless you in your efforts, and may God forever bless the great state of Texas.